sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad luego.
So the downtown area is over here. Where you see those yellow, the big higher coast hotel over there?
Yeah.
Right, that's the Avila.
Yeah.
And if you look all the way straight ahead, sticking into the sea, that's the Sea Aquarium and the Mambo Beach area.
Okay. So where's Kokomo at?
Kokomo.
And this is our hotel. Over there. All the way over there. And I'm gonna go chill out in the AC for a bit. And then hop in the ocean. That's what I'm supposed to do later. Look, I don't know if hotel fit checks is a thing, but that's what I'm gonna call it. Anyway, this is a very historic and upscale hotel. It has 2 private beaches, an infinity pool, 2 restaurants, a spa, and a wellness center, and of course a bar. But you can get a drink at any restaurant you're at. But anyway, check this out, and I'll be right back.
Tengo contadas las horas, tú es mi vida, eso es toda mi aurora. Lo que quiero es amor, nada de compasión. No, no, no lo sé si tú sabes que te quiero pero no lo es. Yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar, pero la inmadurez me la jugó. Baby, eso no lo quería, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. Hola, quiero que tú sepas que te quise amar. Solo una oportunidad, luego me voy. Sería chimba demostrarte quién yo soy, bebé. Superaba lo que te hice a ti. Pasará me dijo la tristeza. Si hubiera replay cambiaría por ti, porque te amo, baby. Es que
Home sweet home for the next 7 days. Look at this view. It's amazing. Still got that view. With the rain and shower and you're at Bath. It's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. So this is the living situation in Curacao right now. Yeah, got a little fridge over there, complimentary drink. You know. I'm moving in, yeah. And yeah, so. If you love art, Curacao is the spot for you. Beautiful art is everywhere, murals along the buildings and everything, and you get to meet some of the local artists here right downtown. This is ChiChi. She represents the eldest daughter of the family who binds the family together in a loving and caring way. She is a much appreciated female role model in the Caribbean community. I ain't see this in the other people's videos, so I had to throw it in.
We'll do this again at night. But right now,
Boca National Park. I ain't even scratched the surface on this. This place was pretty amazing. Cool picnic spot too.
wow, this is all sea coral.
Fishing.
Oh wow. Wow.
They're crazy.
Wow.
Watch your hat. Hold on to the railing. It's a little slippery.
Okay.
So no running on the stairways.
No running.
Okay. Watch out your hat over here when you're stepping down.
All right.
And then, the bench. Let's go to the bench.
Oh, right here.
There used to be a bench.
Oh, that's crazy. Whoa. You alright? Let me put my stuff up.
I just bought my new Skechers about 2 weeks ago. So I think the older one are better.
Oh wow, so that's coming into there. Ah. Here at Dinah Veer's Botanic and Historic Garden, also known as Den Paradis, the garden is a treasure trove of medical plants, trees, herbs that have been growing here for centuries. Dana has been searching for these plants for over 5 years on the island, and she found all of them, and they are in this garden. As soon as you step into this garden, you'll be surrounded by a variety of smells. If you do not know about her or who she is, please Google or go to her website. Check her out. She's important to our history. Pretty dope. Every plant around us, every plant you see has a healing property. And you can smell it. Frolicking! I'm frolicking! I'm frolicking through the garden. The irrigation is awesome. They have plants. It's essentially the desert. Everything inside this store was grown outside in the garden I just came from. How awesome is that? Yeah, no other bloggers came out here. I wonder why. Maybe they don't like history or something. I don't know. But anyway, like and subscribe. Yeah, my man told me not to even think about jumping down there. I found Crush and Squirt. We're gonna catch the wave, dude. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Escaped slaves used these caves as hiding places and lived in them for months at a time. Even before the arrival of Europeans and slaves, the Amerindian Arawaks stayed and lived around this area and left behind petroglyphs estimated to be at least 1,500 years old. You should check it out. We can take pictures on the inside.